Nearly 60 years ago, the 17th of January 1962 marked the foundation of Little Flower School and the beginning of a new era for the steel city of Jamshedpur. Nestled in the lap of greenery within the precincts of Telco Colony lies this hallowed institution. Little Flower School, recognized as one of the best institutions in town and producing some of the brightest students of the country. In India and abroad, the students are testimony to the good education they have received and the sound moral principles and ethics that have been instilled in them by the school. In this Diamond Jubilee year, it is thrilling to observe how far Little Flower School has traversed along the path of success and fame. Under the direction of the past management and the present leadership of our principal, Sister Hilda D'Souza, the school has advanced from its humble beginning to its present glory. Quantum is Little Flower School's celebrated annual Inter-School Fest, which offers a medley of competitions that usher in creativity, passion, knowledge and excellence in scholastic and innovative spheres alike. The primary motive of Quantum is to induce and flourish growth through learning and exposure. 2021 marked the 14th edition of this prestigious assemblage of various events. Here is a cherished montage of the fervent efforts put in by Team Quantum.
Good evening. A warm welcome to all of you who have logged in to the virtual platform for the prize distribution ceremony. In the words of Pierre de Coubertin, founder of modern Olympics, the essential thing in life is not conquering, but fighting well. You must be excited to know the results of Quantum 2021. I'm sure that the experienced judges have done justice to the efforts put in by you. I want to thank all the schools which participated enthusiastically and our Plus2 students and the teacher coordinators for organizing the event efficiently. God bless one and all.
Mrs. Diyali Sen Gupta and Mrs. Sangeeta Chatrat were the two crucial trailblazers of Quantum. Mrs. Sangeeta Chatrat has served Little Flower School for almost 24 long years. She was a second rank holder in MSc Physics, Lucknow University. I would now like to request Mrs. Chatrat to share a few words with us.
Respected Sister Hilda, Sister Lily, honorable guests, teachers, and my dear students. I'm extremely honored to speak before this august gathering on the occasion of this renowned Inter-School Science Fest Quantum 21, hosted by Little Flower School every year. The smallest observable particle of the electromagnetic field, that is a single photon, is a quantum that is full of energy. On this day, we show our respect to all the scientists for their contribution in the field of science. The main objective of Quantum Fest is to bring awareness among students about the importance of science in each and every sphere of our daily lives. It is to encourage students to think beyond their textbooks and discover new dimensions of science.
Mrs. Dayali Sen Gupta has served the school for 26 years, where she has steered the students to achieve their ambitions. She has done her MSc in chemistry from BHU Varanasi. Now, I would like to call upon Mrs. Sen Gupta to enlighten us with her inspiring words.
In the words of Rachel Carson, an American marine biologist, science is a part of the reality of living. It is the what, the how, and the why of everything in our experience. I'm sure that this resonates with each and every one of you. Quantum has always been a celebration of science and everything that it has gifted the world and humanity. Having been a part of the quantum family since its inception, it's a matter of great privilege to see it growing from strength to strength every year. This journey, from ideation to execution of all the planned events for this year's quantum, will not only bring with it a holistic learning, but also inflame your passion for science and all its potential. I take this opportunity to wish you all the best for the event and don't forget to have fun too. Thank you.
We received an overwhelming response from 18 schools all over the city. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to all the principals, teachers in charge, and participants for their ecstatic response and keen participation. The participating schools were Rajendra Vidyal, and the teacher in charge was Miss Kiran Sinha. Kerala Samajam Model School. The teacher in charge for this team was Miss Nandita Jaiswal. Dayanand Public School. This team was supervised by Miss Preeti Rani. DBMS English School. This team was supervised by Miss Renu Arora. Sacred Hearts Convent School. The teacher in charge was Miss Pratima Chatterjee. Loyola School's team was supervised by Miss Charanjit Osen. ATLS Sunshine School. Their teacher in charge was Miss Chandrani Chatterjee. Tarapur School. Their team was supervised by Miss Mukti Chawla. Hilltop School. Their teacher in charge was Miss Mala Bhattacharjee. Xavier School. This team was supervised by Shreyashi Pine. Gulmohar School. This team was supervised by Mr. Mukesh Kumar Jha. Carmel Junior College. The teacher in charge for this team was Miss Priya Peter. JH Tarapur School. The teacher in charge for their team was Miss Sulata Paul. Kerala Public School Kadma was supervised by Miss Varsha Khedai and Miss Indrani Das. Kerala Public School Ghamaria, the teacher in charge for their team was Miss Bhavna Singh. Motilal Nehru Public School. The teacher who was in charge of this team was Mr. Sumod Tiwari. Kerala Public School. The teacher in charge for their team was Miss Archana Kumari. Shiksha Niketan School. Their teacher in charge was Miss Ishwinder Kaur. Vidya Bharati Chimya Vidyalaya. The teacher in charge for this team was Miss Amrita Guha. Thank you. The events of Quantum were organized as follows. The teacher moderators of Quantum, Mr. Ashish Kapoor, Mrs. Ronata Karmakar, and Mr. Surendra Yadav, showed us how to pave the way towards success while having us broaden our horizons. For they believed that there are no limits to success and that we must always strive for splendid victories. Our salutations to them for inspiring the entire quantum team to aspire and eventually achieve the satisfaction of organizing every event successfully. The head of the student organizing team is R.K. Mukhopadhyay. His perseverance, tireless efforts, and determination kept all the other organizers motivated. Now we move on to the first event of Quantum 21, India Calling. India Calling gave students an opportunity to discuss the current system of reservation in India by letting them bring to the table the best of their social ideas for the betterment of the nation. The prelims of this event was judged by Ms. Mona Bahadur and Mrs. Sangeeta Chatrat. The finals of this event was judged by Mr. T.S. Sudhir, Mrs. Daisy Singh, and Ms. Mona Bahadur. The organizers of this event were Ishika Maurya and Shilpi Singh. Next comes Cynosure, a battle of personalities. Students participating in this event had to impersonate a famous personality to stand out of the crowd with their wit, charm, and eloquence. The prelims of this event was judged by Mrs. Daisy Singh, Mrs. Vijaya Sahai, and Mrs. Jaish. The judges of the finals were Mr. Harsh Sinha, Mrs. Swarnalatha Gopalakrishnan, Ms. Koisha Mukherjee, and Mr. N. Mohan. The organizers of this event were Ramya Mishra, Anshula Salwan, Spandan Datta, and Shambhavi Singh. Shark Tank. Shark Tank gave students an opportunity to unleash the hidden entrepreneur in them, to develop ideas that are practical, beneficial, and driven by innovation and knowledge. The prelims of this event was judged by Mrs. Pragya Bhardwaj and Mr. Souvik Saha. The judges of the finals were Ms. Bijal Damani, Mrs. Pragya Bhardwaj, and Mr. Souvik Saha. The organizers of this event were Shivani Baba and Sakshi Gupta. Now we move on to delineation. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and participants of this photography contest discovered the true meaning of that often repeated proverb as they went about capturing the world with their lens in an attempt to tell its story. The judges of this event were Mr. Aditya Pathak, Mr. Kaushik Sarkar, and Mr. Fankar Nagesh. The organizers of this event were Gauri Biswas and Anushka Singh. Now we move on to Curious. The much-awaited Quantum Grand Quiz was back, giving quizzers across Jamshedpur an opportunity to battle it out and see who is the greatest of all time. The organizers of this event were Mayuk Majumdar, Ari Jatin, Tanay Sudarshan, and Brendan Daunt. Now we move on to No Hit Sherlock. No Hit Sherlock invited the sports enthusiasts all over the city to celebrate the beautiful world of sports and juggle their minds out in this exhilarating quiz. The organizers of this quiz were Sujal Sinha, Aryan Raj Singh, Dhananjay Jaykumar, and Shaunak Goswami. Next up is Axiom, tailor-made for those who juggle with numbers and are in awe of the simple elegance of mathematics and has inspired countless great minds across history. The math and logic quiz was a sure treat. The organizers of this event were Shraddha Mahapatra, Divyansh Mishra, Rikpal Ghosh, Dhananjay Jaykumar, and Abhinav Raj. The next event was Connecting Neurons, an open invitation to all the budding biologists. Connecting Neurons was designed for all those out there who are fascinated by the living world and the endless potentials it holds. The organizers of this quiz were K. Namrata, Shauna Goswami, and Deboshmit Kundu. Now we move on to alternate ending. Alternate ending gave every bibliophile a chance to rewrite classic short stories with intriguing modern twists, thereby letting them unfold their own myths. The judges of this event were Miss Ankita Ghosh, Mrs. Dayali Sengupta, and Miss Gracie Paul. The organizers of this event were Anushka Singh and K. Namrata. The next event is Petabyte. Petabyte was a contest designed to enthrall, challenge, and test all budding coders, the architects of the future, and enable them to hone their coding skills. The organizers of this event were Harsh Vats, Shambhavish Singh, and Deboshmit Kundu. Now we have Soliloquy. Soliloquy gave all those who spent hours acting before the mirror and dreaming of the applause from the crowds, the limelight and the might to showcase their eloquence and elan. The judges of this event were Mrs. Ipshita Prabal, Mrs. Maushami Bhaduri, and Mrs. Dayali Sengupta. The organizers of this event were Nishika Maurya, K. Namrata, and Ishika Maurya. Next up is Sketch It. Sketch It was all about putting one's imagination to work and challenge one's artistic side to create a satirical masterpiece that would grab everyone's attention. The judges of this event were Mr. Nirupam Kovar and Mrs. Priyanka. The organizers of this event were Kashish Kumari, Harshita Kumari, Anshika Kumar, and Adya Kumar. Now we move on to Senior Divines. Laughter, they say, is the best medicine, and it is all the more needed in these depressing times. Thus, Senior Divines was a shout out to all those who possess the elixir of life, humor, to come forward and see who could have the last laugh. The judges of this event were Ms. G. Geeta and Mrs. Anupma Kumar. The organizers of this event were Sujal Sinha and Medha. The next event is Life Uncut. Life Uncut was designed to give students an opportunity to reconnect with our primordial mother and experience her therapeutic powers and simultaneously learn the skill of logging. The judges of this event were Mr. Aditya Sharma, Mrs. Barnali Das, and Mrs. Tanushri Mukherjee. The organizers of this event were Brendan Daunt, Ramya Mishra, Marshall Abraham. Next, we have Pixelance, an event for those who have a flair for design. Pixelance gave Jamshedpur's creative and colorful minds an opportunity to come up with beautiful digital logos for Quantum. The judges of this event were Mr. Aditya Sharma, Mr. Subendu Paul, and Mr. Saurav Sen. The organizers of this event were Anshika Kumar, Adya Kumar, Kashish Kumari, and Harshita Kumari. Now we move on to Quantum Speed Hackathon, sponsored by StepToSTEM.com, a community of makers and science and technology enthusiasts. This unique 36-hour hackathon entailed 3 enthralling events: video editing, microcontroller projects, and web designing. Surely a learning experience for all those involved. The judges of this event were Mr. Pranav Agrawal, Mr. Sanjeev Singh, and Mr. Rodrigo Macado. This event was organized by StepToSTEM.com by Sumit Kumar. The last event of Quantum 21 was Quantum Challengers Tour. For entertainment and not for strict competition, the exhilarating and immersive events organized under the Quantum Challengers Tour The BGMI and Valorant tournaments surely won the hearts of those who participated. First up is BGMI. The organizers of this event were Aryan Raj Singh, Sujal Sinha, Dhananjay Jaykumar, and Barun Mahato. Next up is Valorant. The event organizers were Tanay Sudarshan and Shashank Kumar Singh. The administration department was seen to by Anushka Pathak, Harsh Vats, Ahana Bhattacharjee, and Suraj Singh Dio.
The most awaited moment of Quantum 2021 is finally here. Let us now felicitate the winners of every event. The results of Quantum are just a portrayal of the exemplary performances that were put forth by every participant due to their urge to learn every day and be better than what they were yesterday. Congratulations to all the winners for their outstanding performance. Before we proceed, a special vote of thanks to Mr. Deepak Hemani, who has generously sponsored the Quantum trophies and medals. We begin with India Calling. The winners of this event are Ujjwal and Soumya Ranjan Biswal from Vidya Bharati Chinmaya Vidyalaya. The first runners-up are Mondita Chatterjee and Ayushi Shah from Hilltop School. The second runners-up are Riya Jha and Riyanka Raj from Sacred Heart Convent School. Next we have Cynosure. The winner is Moniza Minhas from DBMS English School. Second, we have Tulika Singh from Sacred Heart Convent School. In the third position, we have Shreya Shri from Kerala Public School, Kadma. The winners of Shark Tank are Nancy and Manya Rupani from JH Tarapur School. In the second position, there is a tie between Manav Madhya and Aditi from DBMS English School and Soumya Dikshit and Vidhi Jain from Sacred Heart Convent School. The second runners-up are Soumya Dikshit and Vidhi Jain from Sacred Heart Convent School. The event up next is Delineation. The winners are Farhan and Shihan from Hilltop School. The first runners-up are Soham Chatterjee and Shubham Mazumdar from Loyola School. In the second runners-up position, there is a tie between Tulika Jha and Minoti Majhi from Sacred Heart Convent School and Deepak Paul and Mukund Mayur from Gulmohar High School. Next up, we have Curious. The winners are Prem Ansh Sinha and Manav Dalmia from Loyola School. The first runners-up are D. Adityan and Harshil Agarwal from Kerala Samajam Model School. And the second runners-up are Kumar Yashasvi and Anurag Kumar from Rajendra Vidyalaya. The event up next is No Hit Sherlock. The winners are Amitesh Jha and Ishan Vats from Loyola School. The first runners-up are Manusmriti Mishra and Gracie Dugur from Sacred Heart Convent School. And the second runners-up are Adit Chaube and Vishnu from Vidya Bharati Chinmaya Vidyalaya. Next, we have Axiom. The winner is Vivek Sharma from Vidya Bharati Chinmaya Vidyalaya. The second position goes to Ayush Kumar from Loyola School. And the third position goes to Anviksha Pandey from JH Tarapur School. After this, we have Connecting Neurons. The first position is secured by Harshita Shankar and Anusha Suresh from Sacred Heart Convent School. The first runners-up are Pranati Thakur and Dorothy Raj from Loyola School. And the second runners-up are Shrishti Ghosh and Shushovan Sen from Rajendra Vidyalaya. Now I would like to request my friend Shruti Nair to proceed with the declaration of the results.
The next event is Alternate Ending. The winners are Sylvie Ghosh and Swastika Bhadra from Sacred Heart Convent School. In the first runners-up position, we have Anushka Roy and Soumya Singh from Hilltop School. And in the second runners-up position, we have Deepika Chaudhary and Ishan Sinha from Kamal Junior College. The next event is Petabyte. The winners are Anushka Agarwal from Sacred Heart Convent School. In the first runners-up position, we have S. Faizan Hussain from Kerala Samajam Model School. And in the second runners-up position, we have Ayon Binayak Ghosh from Hilltop School. The next event is Soliloquy. The winner is Muskan Jain from Kamal Junior College. First runners-up, Shreshtha Sara Koshi from Sacred Heart Convent School. Second runners-up, Jaspreet Kaur from Kerala Samajam Model School. The event up next is Sketch It. The winner is Anubhav Shaw from Kerala Samajam Model School. First runners-up, Anjali Mahato from Kerala Public School, Kadma. And second runners-up, Amanpreet Rayat from Vidya Bharati Chinmaya Vidyalaya. The next event is Senior Divines. The winner is Moshmi Poddar from Sacred Heart Convent School. First runners-up, Aditya Raj Verma from Kerala Public School, Kadma. And Shubham Agarwal from DBMS English School is in the second runners-up position. The next event is Life Uncut. The winner is Rishav Ganguly from Loyola School. First runners-up, there is a tie between two schools, Arpit Raj Verma from Hilltop School and Alp Lata Bakhla from Xavier School. Second runners-up, Akansha De from JH Tarapur School. Event up next is Pixellence. The winner is Astha Srivastava from Rajendra Vidyalaya. First runners-up, Saloni Jaiswal from Motilal Nehru Public School. And second runners-up, Aishani Adhikari from Kamal Junior College. The next event is Quantum Speed Hackathon. Microcontroller projects. Winner, Hilltop School, Darshil Tripathi. In the second position, we have Adhyayan Kumar from Gulmohar High School. And in the third position, we have a tie between two contestants, Harshit Shah and Sparshita Das. Harshit Shah from Kamal Junior College and Sparshita Das from JH Tarapur. The next event is video editing. We have Roshan Kumar from Gulmohar High School as the winner. First runners-up, Kamal Junior College, Akshat Gupta. Second runners-up, Arush Roy from Hilltop School. Next event, web designing. The winner is Akshat Singh from Loyola School. First runners-up, Ashutosh Kumar from Xavier School. Second runners-up, Yashaswini Mishra from Sacred Heart Convent School. The next event we have is Quantum Challengers Tour BGMI. The winner is Hilltop School. The team comprises Atulya Mahato, Ayon Rain Suren, Himanshu Kumar Tiwari, Aryan Chaudhary. First runners-up, Kerala Samajam Model School, Ayush Bhattacharji, Aditya Sinha, Sharandeep, Priyesh Sharma. Second runners-up, Shiksha Niketan. The team consists of Ritik Kumar, Sonu Kumar, Vishal Pillai, and Aman Raj. The next event is Valorant. Winner, Kamal Junior College. The team comprises Cyrus Noel Watkins, Shauryadeep Karmakar, Ryan Shukla, Chris Joy Kachap, and Prateek Maru. The first runners-up is Loyola School, And the team members are Mandar Adarsh, Muhammad Saad, Dion Norman, Danesh, and Pankaj Singhal. The second runners up is DBMS English School. The team comprises Krishnendu Basak, Ruhnihal Singh, Anant Srivastav, Tarun Kumar, Aditya Kumar Singh, and Aditya Raj. Before the eagerly anticipated moment of the declaration of the overall champions of Quantum 2021 strikes, I would like to take the opportunity to request my friend Sakshi Gupta to propose the vote of thanks.
As we come to the end of this beautiful virtual awards ceremony, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our dear principal, Sister Hilda D'Souza, for providing an ingenious platform to students to explore their skills, challenge themselves, and to strive to excel in their desired endeavors. I extend my sincere thanks to Sister Lily and Sister Marianne for being ever supportive and the right guide for us. I would also like to thank all our eminent judges of Quantum 2021 for sparing their precious time and joining Little Flower School in identifying and nurturing young talent. This exciting vision of Quantum 2021 would have been incomplete without the incessant guidance of our teachers and the valuable inputs and hard work of all students and staff in charge, whose undaunting efforts converted the dream of this event into reality. To all the participating schools, their principals, and their teachers in charge, thank you for enthusiastically responding to Little Flower School to join the journey on this extraordinary path in times of unprecedented crisis. I express my appreciation and hope that you will similarly come forward in the future. I would like to remind each one of us to be vigilant in these trying times of the pandemic, to stay alert and to follow the guidelines laid down by the authorities so that our safety is not compromised at any cost. Let us resolve to remain patient and safe and continue to add value to our existence. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.
It was heartening to see the fruits of our labor being appreciated by the best of the minds of Jamshedpur, as was evident from the zealous participation of students in all of the events of Quantum. While each event witnessed its own brilliant winner, the battle did not end there. That, in fact, was just the beginning of the war for the coveted title of the overall champions. This year, the overall championship trophy goes to Sacred Heart Convent School. Not far behind, the overall runners-up trophy goes to Loyola School. Congratulations to all the winners and participants. See you next year. Thank you.